Good morning, Lavitra.
Good morning, Mama.
What we learn today?
Silver.
CVC words.
Yeah.
And which family?
Ant family.
Ant family. Let's go. Okay, what it is? What it is? A and T. What is it?
It is ant.
At. And if we put H here, what it would become? What it is?
This is that.
Cat. Okay, remove C, put H over here. What it is now?
Now is B. This is bat.
Okay, next what will you put?
This is hat.
Hat. And now?
This is mat.
Mat. Okay, remove M. Now what would you use? Use one. Fast. F. And what it would be? At.
Fat.
Fat. Now put one more. Fast, Lovey. What it is? Sad. Now put some other alphabet. Fast.
Is bat.
Bat. Okay. Now the last one.
Is rat.
That's cool. Now what we'll do next? We'll do An family. Which family? Look at me. Which family?
Ant family.
An family.